Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, we're doing an exciting video. So we're doing a winter maintenance vlog. I have a Botox and filler appointment literally in 2 hours. So I've just pulled up to the gym, and the reason why I'm starting the video right now is because I feel like I'm gonna actually be rushing out of the gym to get to my appointment. I'm just gonna do my regular forehead Botox that I always get, literally right here. As you guys can see, literally on the dot, 3 months is how long it lasts, and I really wish it lasted longer. So it's been probably about 5 months since I got my last Botox in my forehead. Definitely due for that. It was my birthday maintenance vlog, and I got this procedure called radius in like my jawline. It didn't really give me the look that I was actually trying to go for. I have a big issue with my chin area, so I'm gonna see if she can do anything about that and just kind of get it a little bit chiseled. I try my best to go and get Botox in my forehead every 3 months, but like honestly, sometimes life happens and it's not always achievable.
Hi, how can I help you today?
Hi, I just have a mobile pickup for sayeh.
Yeah, let me just double check I have it 1 second.
Yeah, no worries.
Thank you.
Hi, thank you. I'm okay, thank you so much. So I'm on my way to my appointment now. It is about 12:45. My appointment's at 1:15. It's not really that far from where I'm at. So I always forget to tell you guys what my Starbucks order is. It's just a skinny iced caramel macchiato. That's literally it. So damn good.
Hey yo, Barbie dangerous. Bitches don't endanger us. You are over, you ain't in range of us. Cause I 1111 angel numbers. Fashions and Burberry rainbow. Looking like every designer fake mule. Front row next to the who's who. Trying to build another Barbie doll screws loose. They my rap, but I can channel Big Papa and push out Papa Big Home Mother the year. Every summer I come out to walk, bitches make them disappear. But to me it's just another year. She ain't got the kind of flair. Let me see what I'ma wear. They gon' copy, I'ma wear mine clear. Heavy on the arch, niggas sitting from the back, then he asks all this my hair. Yeah, bitch, your game, pop your shit, face on pretty, ass stay thick, beef with who, she got the right one. All these bad bitches, they got the like none. Kitty on think I got the type one. Pick one, take it, I got the white one. These fat bitches you like is my son. Still gon' run this rap shit from I'm still sitting here, you got a lot to prove. Appreciating my solitude. Beef ain't my go-to, but I got bags of this bread for buying food. And I'm still queening. Chanel bag, they still swinging. Old hits, they still swinging. They let it flow, they still streaming. But it's kill season. You apologize, but it's still treason. Got me steaming like dry cleaning. Move on my time, I ain't no demon. Cold words ain't got no meaning. Cleaning the scrap shit, bohemian. They worst nightmare, they still.
Okay, guys, I just finished up the appointment. We did Botox in my forehead here. She actually put some Botox in my chin as well, like this area, because obviously it's genetic. It is a genetic problem. We were thinking about doing radius, but then that's what I did last time for my jawline. Honestly, I was like, I don't really want to do radius because I felt like it didn't really do what I wanted it to do. She said it's probably gonna take about 2 weeks for it to fully show. So I'm just gonna drive home right now. Tomorrow I have my nail appointment at 11 a.m. so I will chat with you guys tomorrow. Good morning, you guys. I am on my way to get my nails done. I desperately need a new set. Like, my real nails underneath have grown out so much that they're starting to lift, and all of my nails have been breaking. I'm just driving there right now, and then I actually have an appointment for jaws at the vet just for a checkup and everything. So I actually had to go to my appointment a little bit earlier. No coffee this morning because I already made one at home and I was kind of running a little bit behind. I don't have my car mount for my camera. Oh, and there goes my camera. Love that. As I was saying, I don't have my car mount. We are just putting the camera on the dash for this morning. Probably just gonna get French again. I honestly have not been changing it up at all. I just love. I am loyal to French right now. My camera's gonna go flying again, so I will chat with you guys when I get there.
I'll be on the way. I'll be on the way. You can meet me at 5. I'll be on there. I'll be all day. I'll be all day. Put it in drive. I'll be outside. I'll be on the way. I'll be on the way. You can meet me at 5. I'll be on there. I'll be all day. I'll be all day. Yeah. It's the type of shit that you've been waiting all year for. I'm making time for a minute. You with it? Got a lot of time. I just need some rich spinning. I'll just press a button in the top, go missing. I got the slips, so you know it's not finished. Yeah, what you wanna do? we call you friends to show you this afternoon. I've been reading your mind. No fear, but you gotta let me know. I'm all ears and I got a lot of more. I'm with you wanna shit the feel. On my way, put it in drive. I'll be outside, I'll be on the way. I'll be on the way, you can meet me at 5. I'll be open, I'll be all day. I'll be all day. Put it in drive, I'll be outside, I'll be on the way. I'll be on the way, you can meet me at 5. I'll be open, I'll be all day. I'll be all day. Drop top the Porsche, put the bitches sport out here in the field, oh yeah. I'm all that, yeah. Come outside looking like a snack. Hurry up, get in there, yeah. Come with me on this mission. Riding down the coast, I run up for sure. You said make a lead, I said pass the weed. Pull up to the pit bar, said you never been before, but you up a fucking dog, girl, I made you meet him more. You said you left your ex, that dude was always gassing. You said before me, you ain't never been inside me. You took a L with every minute ever since. You hit my phone, I'm on my way, I can't split it. I'll be on the way. I'll be on the way, you can meet me at 5. I'll be open, I'll be all day. I'll be all day. Put it in drive, I'll be outside, I'll be on the way. I'll be on the way, you can meet me at 5. I'll be open, I'll be all day. I'll be all day. Put it in drive, I'll be outside, I'll be on the way.
Okay, so it's been a few hours. I'm gonna do my at-home spa. So the first thing I'm gonna do, take off all of my makeup before I head into the shower. I just like to do this beforehand. Whatever else I have on my face in the shower, then I will just remove while I'm in there. I'm going in with the Wishful Foaming Cleanser. This normally does the job. It gets basically all of my makeup off. Then I'm going in with my Garnier Micellar Water and I'm going to use a cotton pad and I'm just going to remove my waterproof makeup because that does not come off with any foaming cleanser. Next, I'm moving into oral hygiene. So we're going to start with flossing. This is super important, you guys. I always say this. Flossing is definitely one of the most important things to do in your oral hygiene. And then I'm going in with my Crest 3D white toothpaste and I'm just going to brush my teeth for about 2 minutes. Now I'm taking my mouthwash. This is by Crest. There is 0 alcohol in it. You're not actually supposed to rinse your mouth out afterwards. It's quite strong, but try to do your best to not rinse out your mouth. I'm going to be using the OGX Argan Oil Dry Mist. I ran out of the actual hair oil, but I'm going to apply that before I get into the shower to wash my hair. I'm going to use some Crest whitening strips today. I always get questions on how my teeth are so white, and this is definitely the secret. Leaving these on for about 30 minutes. So I'm going to hop in the shower. It's going to take me about 30 minutes, so it's perfect timing. I'm going to light a couple candles before I head into the shower. You guys already know I love to set the mood and I love to set the vibe before I do my self-care. When I'm doing my full pamper routine, I really like to use a dry brush before I head into the shower. It is a little bit uncomfortable, I guess, like it's kind of like prickly in a way, but it does help with blood circulation. It gets rid of all your dead skin cells, and it's a great way to get prepped for exfoliating. To start off, I'm going to be using the Native Coconut and Vanilla Shampoo. I've been using this for a couple weeks and I really love the scent. I love how it leaves my hair really silk and smooth. Of course, we're using the matching conditioner. The problem I have with some conditioners is I have to really use a lot of product, but with this product, I don't have to use a lot, which is obviously a better bang for your buck. Moving on, for my body care, I'm gonna be using my Dove bar soap. If you guys have seen all of my other videos, this is my go-to product. Next up, we're gonna do some exfoliating. So I'm using the Dove body scrub. I really like using this because it just gets the job done and it really exfoliates my skin and removes all of my self-tanner. Now we're moving into some body wash. I'm using the warm vanilla sugar. This is by Bath & Body Works. Now moving into a sugar scrub. This is mango and orange. I actually got this from Winners. I really love this sugar scrub. It just reminds me of me being at the nail salon where they apply that on your feet. Moving on to some shaving. I'm using the EOS shave cream. This is the no foam shave cream. I really like this one. It doesn't irritate my skin. It's really easy to use and it just does the job. Since I've been in the shower for a while, I'm going to use a foot file. This is just going to get rid of all of the dead skin cells and leave your feet really clean and nice. I'm going to be doing a at-home spa night, so I'm going to apply some facial oil. This is from Drunk Elephant, and we're just going to really massage that into the face, and we're going to get prepped to do some face shaving. I'm going in with this face razor, and I'm just going to go from the top to the bottom, and as you can see, I'm just gliding the blade gently down my face, and this is why you use the facial oil.
Hey. Truck to the plane, to the truck to the hotel lobby. Me, I go through underground garages, presidential suite on deposit, elevator up to the room, shower up and then we hit the club. Touchdown, gotta see what's up. Area code in my phone. What numbers do I still?
Now we're gonna move on to the actual facial part. So I'm gonna take these two globes and I'm gonna pop them into the freezer. Just applying a little bit more oil on my face, just massaging that into the skin, and we're gonna get ready to do our Gasha tool. So I've been doing this every single day for the last 2-3 weeks, and I've definitely seen some progress. So I am really focusing on getting my jaw really chiseled. This has definitely been doing it for me. I do prefer to do this at nighttime because my face does become a bit puffy and it's just very relaxing and it gets me ready for bed.
Till then I sit my drunk ass on that runway on this one way. 2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Too early, maybe later, you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit. Windy City, she blowing me kisses, no. 30 degrees, way to go, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight? Jury in the safe on arrival, pistol on Jade for survival. A lot of people gunning for the title, a lot of people trying to take us viral. I'm just trying to have a nice night though. Waiter brought a check for the meal. She said, babe, I think that was a typo. Nah, girl, I got it, that's light though. I can show you bigger things than that. It's gonna be a minute till I'm back. Let me get you images that last. Amex had a limited
Moving on, I'm going to use a Jade roller, and I'm just going to basically lift my face with this roller. I just love how relaxing this is, and it just makes my face feel super alive.
Show to the shower, to the truck to the club for the party. You go in first with your girls, cause I don't know who's out there watching. But I do know one thing, though. Women, they come, they go.
Now I've taken the globes out of the freezer, and I'm just going to finish off this facial. This is also going to help with the puffiness and the redness after you use those two tools.
2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Too early, maybe later, you can show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit. Windy City, she blowing me kisses, no. 30 degrees, way too cold, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight?
Moving on, I'm going to use these Pixie eye patches, and I'm just going to pop them right underneath my eyes. I'm going to leave these on for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now for the last step, I'm going to be doing my self-tanner. You guys know that I love my self-tanner. I love being tanned, and I just need to be doing it a lot of the time. So I'm just going in with the Coco and Eve Bali Bronzing Foam in Ultra Dark. It does take about 2 hours to develop, but I like to put it on before I go to bed. Now I'm going to be using some cuticle oil. This is the Vanilla Bean and Sugar. This is from Amazon. It's the best oil I've ever used. So I'm going to apply that to my nails and then also on my feet.
I'm still playing the victim and you still playing the pick me. It's so embarrassing. All of the things I need living inside of me. I can't see.
The 10 minutes are up. I'm going to remove the eye patches, and I'm going to use the Pixie Dreamy Mist all over my face, and then I'm going to put some product into my hair, and then I'm going to get straight into bed. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.